How to add or remove games in Gaming Hub on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, scroll across and find Gaming Hub. Next, tap on the 4 squared at the bottom here. And from here, if you want to remove a game, simply touch and hold. Then tap on Remove from Gaming Hub. And that will allow you to remove the game from the Gaming Hub, but not uninstalling. Okay, so if you want to add in a game, just tap on the More button. Then tap on Add Games. From the list of available apps, go and find the games that you want to add in. So let me find a game. Epic Game here. And then in here, we tap on Add to Gaming Hub at the bottom here. And that's it. So now it has been added to your Gaming Hub. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.